Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kavita Shetty. So previously I have uploaded the videos for solutions of sample question bank from university for course 201 and course 202. In this video we are going to discuss the solutions of sample question bank for course 203, which is school and inclusive school. Also check the description box of this video to find the playlist link for course 203 school and inclusive school. I have made videos according to the units where you can find the detailed explanations of the solutions of various MCQs. Also please find the link for the solutions of sample question bank from university for the course 201 and 202, which I have recently uploaded. The answers to these questions are not given in the website, so we have tried our best to find the correct answers. Also, if you are new to our channel, then please do subscribe our channel, like our videos and share. Let us see first MCQ. Inclusive education concept arise in the year, and the options are 1960, 1972, 1974 and 1949. The correct option is 1960. Second MCQ. The school that changes according to the needs of the students is the, and the options are mainstream school, special school, integrated school, inclusive school. And the correct option is inclusive school. Next MCQ. Special schools are required for equality of educational opportunities among, and the options are talented students, backward students, physically challenged students, SC or ST students. And the correct option is physically challenged students. Next MCQ. Integrated education for disabled children aims at providing educational opportunities to children with disabilities in dash school. And the options are regular school, special school, open school, blind relief association school. And the correct option is regular school. Our next MCQ is fundamental principle of inclusion education is the valuing of dash within the human community. And the options are integrity, diversity, social awareness and unity. So I guess the correct option is diversity, because inclusive culture celebrates the diversity among the students. Let us see our next MCQ. Deficiency in the ability to write is associated with, and the options are dyslexia, dyscalculia, dysgraphia and dysprasia. And the correct option is dysgraphia. Let us see next MCQ. The learning disability related to language comprehension disorder is known as, and again the options are dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia and dysprasia. This time the correct option is option 4, dysprasia. Moving towards our next MCQ, an important daily life skill for a secondary school student with mental retardation will be, and the options are knowing multiplication tables, using microwave oven, identifying states on a map, stating the main idea of a paragraph. Here the correct option I feel is using a microwave oven, because this is a daily life skill and the other options do not show the daily life skill. Also, we have seen that mentally retarded students have difficulty in functioning in daily life in areas such as communication, self-care, home living, social interpersonal skills, self-direction, academics, work, leisure, health and safety. Let us see next option. Which of the following is an example of intellectual disability? And the options are dyslexia, ADHD, autism spectrum disorder and mental retardation. So the correct option is option 4, mental retardation. Let us see next MCQ. Which of the following is a multidimensional and cross-cultural concept? And the options are social inclusion, economic inclusion, political inclusion and cultural inclusion. So the correct answer here is social inclusion. Let us see the next one. Because of learning disability of Mahesh, his classmates always bully him. What is the suitable strategy to help Mahesh in this situation? And the options are team teaching, blended strategy, buddy system, and remedial strategy. The correct option is buddy system, because in buddy system, buddies only help each other to learn. Let us see next MCQ. In what way mainstream teachers would help inclusion? And the options are by formulating policies, by knowing policies, by being aware and fighting for the rights, and the last is by actualizing policies and resources. See, there is no help in attaining the mainstream teachers' objectives if they only formulate, or if they only know the policies, or if they are only aware, and if they are only fighting for their rights. So the correct option is last option, which is by actualizing policies and resources. Let us see next MCQ. What type of curriculum is implemented for inclusion of all the students in the classroom? And the options are multi-level multimodality curriculum, unilevel unimodality curriculum, dual curriculum, and tetra-level curriculum. And the correct option is multi-level multimodality curriculum. Let us see next MCQ. Inclusive culture follows a policy where education is, and the options are teacher-centered, curriculum-centered, student-centered, and classroom-centered. The correct option is student-centered. Let us see next MCQ. Developing inclusive culture is the responsibility of the dash, and the options are headmaster, teachers, students, and stakeholders. I think the correct option is headmaster, because he is the head of the school, and developing or not developing inclusive culture is the responsibility of headmaster only. Next MCQ is what is Braille? And the options are it is a separate language for blind, it is a touchable script based on dots, it is a metallic tool useful for reading, it is a supplementary technology used for the understanding of blind. And the correct option is it is a touchable script based on dots. Let us see next MCQ. Inclusive culture is dash of inclusive school, and the options are requirement, importance, A and B both, not compulsory. So inclusive culture is both requirement and importance of inclusive school. So the correct option is option third, which is A and B both. Let us see next MCQ. Teachers using different voices during narration helps learning, especially for, and the options are auditory learners, neutral learner, kinesthetic learner, and visual learner. And the correct option is auditory learners. Text to speech online applications like Natural Reader and Read Please is useful for, and the options are neutral learner, auditory learners, kinesthetic learners, or visual learners. The correct option again is auditory learners. Let us see our last MCQ. In-service training does not change teachers, and the options are values, technical knowledge, linguistic knowledge, development of teaching skills. And the correct option is values. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will be soon uploading more helpful videos for the students appearing for B.Ed exam, both online or offline mode. I just want to request you all to not to worry too much and be confident, keep studying. So see you all in the next video soon. Till then, please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.